Alright folks, my headlight went, and I guess you can tell with this one, the main one, can you see it? Right up there, cracked in half, see it? Okay, so I went out and got a couple new ones. I'm going to put it in. Well, I really don't want to touch it with my fingers yet. So, ooh, nice one. Okay. See if I can get my hand in here now. Should be easy. It's all the way down here, folks. See it?
I think so, yeah.
Right here. Did I?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying not to touch it. Sorry for my hands.
No. No.
Where?
Yeah, no. Up. In. There you go.
Okay. All I have to do now is just twist this. There we go. All right, folks. It went in. I have to figure it out. But there it is. It's in there. Each bulb has this slot. This is a thin slot, but if you turn the bulb around, there's another slot which is bigger and bigger. And you have to align it a certain way so these slots will fit in with the pin. And what was holding it back was this O-ring here. So I tried without the O-ring, bulb fitted right in, and then the cover fit right in, and there it is. Works beautifully. Now, the good part is I gotta work on this one now. The battery's in the way. Oh well. I'll do it in a few minutes. I'm cold right now. Later.